Hello everyone, I am Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Here is my lecture video series on topic proportional logic in the subject overview of logic and computation. Let's see what are the topics we are going to handle. First one is Introduction to Proportional Logic that deals with the proportion and their logical conditions. The next one is proportions. Proportions are the statements that can be either true or it may be false, but both conditions are not possible. The next one is logical connectives. It is the connectives combinations of proportions such as and, or, not, implication, bicondition, etc. The next one is truth table. It shows the truth value of all possible combinations such as and, or, not, negation, conditional, bicondition, etc. The next one is tautology, in which the proportion always holds true. The next one is contradiction, in which the proportion always holds false. These are the steps we are going to see in the proportional logic. First one, introduction to proportional logic. It is a branch of logic that deals with the relationship between a statement that can be either true or false using logical operators. The combination that are found in this proportional logic, it is useful for reasoning in various fields such as computer science, mathematics and philosophy. The next one is key concepts of a proportional logic. The first one is proportion. I have already mentioned that proportion is a statement that can be either true or false. For this proportion, logical operators were very useful in connecting these complex statements in the form of uh, symbols such as conjunction. It denotes the unconditioned. Disjunction denotes the or condition. Negation denotes the not condition. Implication denotes if then condition. Biconditional denotes if and only if condition. These are the following concepts or logical operators of a proportions. The next one is we are going to see the example of a logical connectives such as with the following example. Here let's take a proportion as a PQ combination of statements, that is sky is blue and it is raining. In this combination, for a conjunction, if one statement, if true only for both conditions, then the condition is true and it holds the statement that is the sky is blue and it is raining. For or condition, it denotes either one condition is true, the statement is true, that is the sky is blue or it is raining. The next one, negation. It implies if we give the true statement, it automatically stay as a false one, that is the sky is not blue. The next one is P implies Q, which denotes if the sky is blue then it is raining. This it denotes the only false if P is true. The next one, Q is also a false condition, where the false is followed by a true condition, then the statement is true. If the true is followed by a false condition, then the statement is false. The next one is P conditional biconditional Q. In this statement, the sky is blue if and only if it is raining. If both the conditions are same truth value, then the condition will be true. These are the following examples for the truth conditions. Let's see what is the next statement. Next we are going to see the types of proportions and how it is useful for the proportional logic. Let's see the types of proportion in the following series. We can see what are the types of proportion and how it is useful for us. There are two main types of proportion. One is atomic and compound proportion. These proportions are useful to denote the combination of proportions. Let's see the following types in the next series. Thank you.